Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapter speaker of Vit-Ap University. So we will take a look at a Java topic today which is exception handling and throwing exceptions. Like intentionally there are some cases when we intentionally want to throw some error. So we'll discuss about it in today's video. So what I'll do, we all know about try catch and finally I already discussed about try catch and finally block. If you don't know about this try catch and finally block, you can just take a look at our previous videos. So coming back to the topic, I was discussing about throwing exceptions intentionally. So for doing that, what we have to do, we have to like use keyword which is throw, and after that we have to write new, and after new we have to write the type of exception we wanna throw. So let's say I want to throw IU exception. So yeah, I'll write IU exception. Mm, Let's say just have the message hello. Yeah, so I imported this IU exception, and we all know this try block. Carried for it is followed by catch block or finally block. So let's say while writing finally block, and in this finally block it just prints out exception handle or exception review. So what our code will do, first of all it will try this thing, try try block, then it will go on to also I have not handled this try block till now. So exception in this try block now. So let's say I'm adding a catch block also. And what this catch block does, it just handles how you exception. And let's say we are naming our exception E, and it just prints out this hello. So for doing that, we have to do e dot get message. Yeah. So if we run our code, so if we run our code, you can see it is first of all it is printing out hello, and then which is because of this catch block, the code in catch block, it is printing out hello, and because of this finding block, it is printing out exception raised. So I have a question for you guys. Like we are defining our catch block only for IU exception. So what if there is some other exception which is raised by this try block? So for doing it, let's say what I'm doing, I'm just adding this or block, and I'm handling other exceptions as well. So this Visual Studio code, my code editor, it is saying that there is some error in this code. So you try to figure out why is it throwing an error? What is the type of error, and what should we do? Like what should we do that our code do not throw any error? So you have 5 seconds to pause the video. You can answer in the comment section, and yeah, if we as as our code editor suggests, this exception is already called by alternative exception. So what is happening? IU exception. We defined our catch block for this IU exception, but this catch IU exception, it is already part of exception. So this exception keyword, it will handle all exceptions, not only IU exceptions, exception on the exception. So we do not have any need to like explicitly tell IU exception. What we can do is we have to do is exception E, and then yeah, we can run out. If we run it again, yeah, you know it is working just fine. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.